You won't even finish it, and then they'll throw it away. Okay, so just to let you know, because we had other teams where they serve a lot, and then at the end, they don't have enough.
Say hi guys, it's a video.
Hey!
So then Mr. Charles, he's gonna be in the music. He joins us on Monday nights, and I was asking if you guys brought like a worship and stuff, because some teams do, just to respect that and give you guys a chance to do it. But if you don't, then we're okay. Mr. Charles gonna take over the music. Okay. So what we do is like he'll start with one song, and we'll play the song, the worship song, and then I'll introduce you guys. I'll just say, you know, we have visitors that are here with us from Montana, right?
Yes.
And then you could come up and then just introduce your team. Do you have like a name? Are you guys coming from any particular ministry?
Yeah, we're just a church in Montana coming out
Okay.
to serve.
Perfect, and then just introduce your team if you want, and then we'll go ahead and just give it over to Mr. Charles, and he'll open up in prayer, and then we'll take it from there. After that, we'll serve. They'll want to be served right away, but I'll tell them you have to wait until we finish, because a lot of them are spoiled. Okay? We spoiled them, right? Okay, so then they know not to come here. Sometimes there's new ones, but don't worry, I'll be here. And then since I want you guys to participate, usually we have 2 people in the front greeting, but we'll have 3 people serving on the plate, and then the other 3 or 4 could be serving here, the juices. We'll have one of you guys make sure that those are all filled and go around. They'll be raising their hand, juice. And then if somebody else wants to help with the coffee, there's the coffee there, the creamers. I'll be here too. But right now, for now, what I'll do is I'll be the greeter there. So you guys don't have to go out there. I'll be there. They'll be coming in. And then I'll just run out real quick, introduce you guys, and then go back out.